Hi guys, Tin's fans here again.
This is pretty cool.
So I told you that one of the reasons I have decided to explore the North Island of New Zealand is because of it having a volcanic plateau and the chances that there's gonna be a lot of opportunities for natural waters that are warm, like warmed in the natural way. And that makes me really excited because I love having baths. I love being surrounded by hot water. Not only that, obviously, Wellington is where my best friend lives, and then I wanted to see her. Lawrence is in the North Island. Kerosene is in the North Island. So there's a lot of contributing factors why I've decided to go for the North Island.
No, I won't. I'm not doing that. Oh wow, that is so cool.
Most of the time when I travel, I search what other people recommend, and I've come across this website, and they have a lot of good tips. Not that kind of good tips, but really good tips on like free stuff to do in Rotorua. And I have actually done these things in real life, so one at a time. Some of these things I've already made a previous video about, 4 places to go swimming in without having to pay for anything and just experience the natural heated water. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy about the things that I managed to explore.
Yeah.
This swimming hole, I don't know, when I saw it, I was just like, oh my gosh, it looks like a dream. So it's kind of like just a creek. Like a lake. Basically, from one side it's like cold water coming in, and from another side there's like hot water coming in. Any part of it that you move to is a different temperature.
Oh, this fucking good.
So you can actually find a spot where you like the temperature. It's so super cool.
Oh, you didn't even see it.
I don't know, I'm just holding it when you told me to hold it.
It's okay.
Oh my gosh, I had so much fun. There's a lot of people actually swimming in there as well. So I don't want to breach other people's privacy. They're just having fun, swimming and stuff. And then here I am taking a video. So, obviously I want to be considerate about other people.
You alright?
I think here is okay.
Kerosene Creek. So basically, Kerosene Creek is like a waterfall, but hot water.
That's the English sense of humour. Where are you guys from? She's from England. I'm from...
All the nature that surrounds it looks really cool to me. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in a fairy tale. And I'm just here swimming in this naturally hot waters.
Yeah. We'll do something interesting. 4 foot deep.
You just have to be careful because there are certain places that you actually cannot swim in. You know, so you have to make sure that the places that you choose to go and swim in, you know, don't just see a body of water and go swimming in it, you know, because there's a lot of different temperatures and then some water can be very dangerous. So, you know, make sure that you read signs, make sure that it's safe before you jump into any body of water here. You know what I regret is we didn't get to go to the hot water beach. Can you believe that? There's a hot water beach in Rotorua. But you have to take a boat to get there.
Okay.
Lars doesn't really seem to like swimming anyway, you know, but I kind of felt bad that I'm the only one having fun. Woo! Woo! Just swimming in the waters. And he was just there and I'm like, okay, like, can you take my video, please? And then Lars is just there taking a video. But, you know, he's very patient with me. Thank you so much, Lars, for all your patience.
Maybe you can hear voices. But remember, he said it's like a shower.
I didn't even get the chance to explore the things that you pay for to be able to swim or, you know, bathe in these waters, because there are places that you can pay for. You know, it probably be more comfortable, because the disadvantage of these free stuff is that it's nature. You know what I mean? So there's gonna be rocks and whatever, but there you can find a nice spot. But you know, I could imagine like if it's something that is man-made and, you know, made for your comfort, it will be so much more comfortable and nicer and more chilled out. I absolutely love my natural, adventurous experience of this warm water. Oh my gosh. I feel like I am living my life, you know? I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'm a ninja without a name, don't fall in. I was wondering if you would like a little screw. My new pickup line. There's the rest for you. Kiss. This will be my New Zealand souvenir. Post it for like 99p. And if you're not in the UK, I will do international postage. I can put your name, just DM me on my eBay. Whoever wins the bid gets my screw.